Hi, John or Aaron. I'm not exactly sure who this is going to, but I went ahead and did some digging on Down to Earth and just want to educate you on how important an internet presence for your business is. Now, when any of your future customers Google Landscape Bellevue, for example, what first comes up here is the map pack. Now, these are your local map listings, and these are really important because this is immediately what searchers will see. Ideally, of course, we want customers to be in or businesses to be in the top three spots. And I did find your guys' is on there, and you are in the sixth spot, so you must be aware of how important this is. Let's go ahead and take a look at your guys's. So down to the landscaping, you're in the sixth spot. 10 Google reviews, that's wonderful. Shows people that you have a quality business. Telephone number, all of that. You've got some good pictures on it. That's wonderful. The biggest problem is that you don't have a site. Now, you need to add your business hours in here as well because that'll continue to boost it, but there's no site. Now, having an internet presence, the most crucial and number one thing is to have a website so that your customers can find you. So what I did was I went ahead and pulled your number one competitor because what's just below, I apologize, let me just back up one step. So just below the map listing, which is what they first see, is what's called the organic listings. So that's what's right here. Now, these are just as important, if not more important, than that map pack, because this is where people are going to go to find what it is that they're looking for. Now, it's important to be on the first page of Google and in the highest spot that you possibly can, because this is where all the traffic is going to. So what I went ahead and did was pulled up the site for your number one competitor who is on the first page, and they are in the first organic spot. And I just want to show you what having an internet presence and site would do for your business. All right, so I'm pulling up their site here, Green Spaces. They've got a nice site. They've got a lot of pages, a lot of information, moving images, and all of these things. So all of this is great. The biggest problem with this site here is that there's not enough content. What Google does is it constantly crawls the internet, every single website consistently to determine that they're ranking and where they're going to be. Now, Google wants 1,500 key content information on the very first main page of any site. They only have 633 words. What they also want is keywords sprinkled throughout this content to drive in more traffic as well. So even further breaking this site down just a little bit more so that it makes more sense here, I used my tool and pulled all the data for your number one competitor, Green Spaces, and here's what we find. So the UR rating is a trust factor rating. The DR rating is your power rating. So this is what Google has given to them as ratings for those two areas. What generates the numbers on these two ratings is backlinks. Now, what a backlink is it's a shout out from another site. So another site has a link coming to their site, and it basically just gives exposure, number one, but credibility, number two. Now they've got 551 organic keywords sprinkled throughout that content that I was talking to you about. And what this is doing for them is this is bringing in 702 folks to their site who are obtaining their services, getting more information, whatever, what have you. But it's driving 702 people every single month to their site. Now, the good news is this site is absolutely beatable. Down to Earth could beat them out with some steps here. So definitely would need to get your Google My Business listing up just a little bit, and again, adding in a website and your hours would help you tremendously. Now, with the site itself, Once a website is built and it includes those 1,500 words of command content, it has the organic keywords sprinkled about, it gets some powerful backlinks referring over to it. Um, this could be the number spot that you guys are sitting in. So, I hope that this was valuable. I just wanted to bring to your attention how important it is to have a site to be able to generate all of that traffic. And if I can be of help in any way, please let me know. But I would certainly appreciate some feedback.